Shivansh Gupta. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Enjoy my video. Hello friends, today I will be reviewing Ferrero Rocher chocolate. Well, this is a very old brand from Italy and has been in existence for more than 70 years. This is a perfect combination with other gifts and for special occasions. It comes in 3, 12, 16, 18, 24, 30 pack sizes and easily available in supermarket. I am showing you 30 pieces box which will cost around 1000 to 1200 rupees depending on the offer you get. So let me open the box. So this is how it looks. Let me unwrap. So let me take a bite. Yummy! It has 4 layers. The first layer is made of chocolate and crushed hazelnuts. The second layer is a crispy shell and it's made of chocolate and hazelnut mix wrapped around. The third layer is a smoothie chocolate layer. The fourth layer is the center of the Ferrero Rocher chocolate. It is a whole hazelnut. Well, I love this chocolate. It is very fascinating. I just love to eat it layer by layer. It's mouth-watering. Its ingredients are milk, cocoa, butter, hazelnut, wheat flour, soya, sugar and palm oil. Go and give it a try. Hope you have enjoyed the Ferrero Rocher review. See you in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.